Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name still remains Alobo Vicky from Gulu University Faculty of Science. Actually, today I'm so pleased to come again with another concept. Remember, in my last video, I reminded you that today, in my next video, will be on how to install Mandeley on a PC. Let's try to look at this one into details. Remember, the first thing that you're supposed to do, remember, your internet is connected to your computer is connected to internet. So without going further, let us connect this PC to the internet and we see how we can install Mandeley on a PC. So as you can see here, when you try to check, mine is already connected to my internet. Now you come to Google, you search Mandeley, you click on it to open. Then here we can open from here. So here we are. So now from here, what you do, so from here you can come and click on, you are seeing here we have download for Windows, then get started on Mandeley. So we click on this. So I think here the problem is my internet not stable. So let's now from here you can see, from here when you come to this, you see downloads in progress. So our Mandeley is now downloading. Let's wait for it to download. You can even check from here that something is downloading. So it's downloading. Here is downloading. Let's wait for it. So as you can see, it is now downloading. It is now already downloaded. So we click on it. So we are going to install it. So we are going to click on run. So we try to install it. It is now installing. So my work is now installing, completing. Yeah. So finish. Let's try. So this one will take us mainly to how to create account in Mandeley. So here, as it's written email, come and put your email address here. Let me put mine. At gmail.com. Continue. Given name is Vicky. Family name, enter my password. So here we are. Okay, that's brought for me again, so I need to put. Then we have the password. That is my password. I can scroll, I see what is up. Yeah, it's saying my password must be to 8 characters, so I can add. I think the problem is with my so let me try to put. Username I can put Vicky. Let's check this password. This is my password that I have created. They're saying it is strong, meaning it is the one. When you come and register here, again they're asking me for the given name. I'm going to repeat it. Then for this, it is let's try to scroll down. Again, they're asking for the password. The password must be strong. Right password. Right register. My password is not accepting. The password is supposed to be very strong. Try to repeat it. Given name. Then we have family name, which is Vicky.